Listín Diario editorial for March 3rd of 2022. There is no such donation. Although it is called donation, the reality is different. Blood is an article of commerce, and most of those who allow it to be extracted receive some payment. There is a real voluntary donation when a citizen agrees to give part of their blood to a patient in need, usually a friend, relative, or family member. As there is not enough fresh blood available in the country for transfusions, in cases of severe anemia or surgeries, people have to appeal to the generous gratuity of the real donors who do not charge anything for it. These are the exceptional cases, because if those solidarity do not appear, we have to appeal to the so-called registered donors, who charge up to more than 2,000 pesos for each pint in blood banks. The idea of incentivizing with exemptions from the payment of the metro and the cable car, and with discounts for university tuition and the acquisition of technological equipment, could be an alternative to remove the crematistic seal from the so-called voluntary donations. The proposal is from the director of the National Blood Center, Dr. Pedro Singh, who knows what he is saying. Facing a current deficit of 250,000 pints of blood, this body tissue is highly prized. Along the same lines, engineer Freddy Baez, who runs a network of 5 blood banks, proposes the figure of paid donation, which should be included in the reform of the health law that strictly prohibits paying donors. In practice, this is a dead norm because blood donations do not have the stamp of being free. It is bought at a price, and in the distribution chain, it is revalued up to 3 times more. For Listín Diario, voiceover and translations by Indira Rodriguez.